Welcome back. On today's program, we will explore the current discussions regarding the potential rebuilding of Old Trafford. We'll delve into the options being considered, the challenges involved, and the impact this decision may have on Manchester United and its fans. £1 on building a new stadium with a capacity of 100,000 people, inspired by the Sophie Stadium in Los Angeles. Manchester United wants to build a new 100,000 capacity stadium, which will take 6 years to complete. However, the option of redeveloping Old Trafford is still on the table. The Stadium Task Force has made an initial agreement that building a new stadium on the land around the current one is the best solution. The Old Trafford Regeneration Task Force, chaired by Lord Coe and including Gary Neville and Andy Burnham, has held 4 meetings. Sir Jim Ratcliffe wants to build a Wembley of the North, but it has been emphasized that no official decision has been made. Regarding the potential redevelopment of Old Trafford, there are existing issues. For example, there is a railway line behind the Sir Bobby Charlton stand. Additionally, if construction work were to begin, it would result in significantly reduced stadium capacity, leading to revenue loss and great inconvenience for fans. United would have no alternative ground to use during the construction. If you want more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.